How to shop online at Target, a comprehensive tutorial. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to shop online at Target, open your preferred browser firstly and in the search bar search for target.com. Or you can also surf through Target by opening the Target application. Once opened, make sure you are signed in. If not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in the dashboard you will see various options like categories, deals, what's new, etc. These will show you the trending products in Target. For instance, tap on categories and now you can go ahead and select from varieties of categories here. Go ahead and choose the category that you want to shop from. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be shown all the products belonging to the category you selected. Select the product of your choice now. You will see the option for Add to Cart. Tap on the Add to Cart option for the products that you want to go ahead and purchase. Once you are done selecting products of your choice and adding them to your cart, tap on the cart icon you see on the top right of the screen. You will now be able to see all the items that you selected for purchase. You can also tap on Edit Items option there and either change store or change how you get items or save the items for later or remove items. You can also increase or decrease the quantity of the product you want to purchase. You can also choose the delivery method and duration. Once you are done finalizing everything here, move forward to the order summary. Tap on promo code if you have any promo code and then go ahead and tap on continue to check out. Here, choose your payment method. If you are paying through your credit card or your debit card, then add in your card details. Also, enter your billing address correctly. Once entered, tap on save and continue. And with this, your order will be placed. And this is how you can shop online at Target. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.